Second, if you go to the street, you may immediately meet that. There may be heart failure, there may be a motor accident, there may be something. So, to live is wonderful. To die is not wonderful, because you are meant for death. As soon as you took your birth, immediately you begin to die. Immediately. If you inquire, when the child is born, you say 1 week. That means he has died 1 week. We are taking that he is living 1 week, but actually he has died 1 week. That is wonderful. That is still he is living, he has not died. So, death is not wonderful, because it is sure, it will come after 1 week or after 100 years. That is not wonderful. So long you live, that is wonderful. So we should utilize this time to make solution of the life, that we are repeatedly dying and again accepting another body. So how they will understand? Unless they come to the proper Guru. Therefore Shastra said, Tadvijnanartham, if you want to know the real problem of your life, and if you want to be enlightened, how to become Krishna conscious, how to become eternal, go back to home, back to Godhead, then you must approach the Guru. And who is Guru? That is explained, very simple thing. Guru never manufactures idea. That you do this and give me money and you become happy. That is not good. That is another process of earning money. So, here it is said, Mura, everyone who is simply living in the fool's paradise, manufacturing his own ideas, like Ojami. Somebody has taken, this is my duty, somebody has, he is a fool. You must know what is your duty from Guru. You are singing every day, Guru mukha padma vakka chittete koriya okka arana koriya moneya. This is life. This is life. Guru mukha padma, you accept the bona fide Guru and what he orders you carry out, then your life is successful. Arana koriya moneya. You rascal, you do not desire anything else. Are you not singing daily? But do you understand the meaning? Or we are singing only? What is the meaning? We will explain. Nobody knows? Yes? What is the meaning?
My only wish is that my mind be purified by the word and my spiritual master. I have no other desires.
Yes, this is the order. Guru mukha padma vakka chittete koriyai. Now, chitta means consciousness, her heart. I shall do this only. But my Guru Maharaj told me, I shall do. Chittete koriyayakka arana koriya maniyas. So, it is not my pride, but I can say for your instruction, I did it. Therefore, whatever little success you see, then all my God brothers, it is due to this. I have no capacity, but I took it, the words of my Guru, as life and soul. So this is fact. Guru mukha padma vakka chittete koriyat. Everyone should do that. But if he makes addition or alteration, then he is finished. No addition or alteration. You have to approach Guru. Guru means the faithful servant of God, Krishna, and take his word how to serve him. Then you are successful. If you concoct, I am very intelligent than my Guru, and I can make additional alteration, then you are finished. So that is the only. Sing further. Sri Guru Charane Rati Seisi Uttamagati. If you want to make real progress, then you must be firmly faithful at the lotus feet of Guru. Then Je Prasades Pure Sarva As. Jasya Prasadas, this is the instruction in the whole Vaishnava philosophy. So unless we do that, we remain mura, and this is explained in this Adami Upakhand. So today we are reading this verse. Saivang Vartamana Agya, again he says. Again, Vasudev says that this rascal was situated in that absorbed in the service of his son, Narayan, of the name. He did not know what is this nonsense Narayan. He knew his son. But Narayana is so merciful that because he was constantly calling his son, Narayana, please come here. Narayana, please take this. So, Krishna was taking, that is chanting Narayana. Krishna is so merciful. He never meant that I am going to Narayana. He wanted his son, because he was affectionate. But he got the opportunity of chanting the holy name of Narayana. This is his good fortune. Therefore, according to this, we change the name. Why? Because every name is meant for becoming a servant of Krishna. So just like Upendra. Upendra means Bhavandev. So if you call Upendra, Upendra, similarly, that name is taken account of. So that will be explained later on. So here also it is said, in the first verse it is said Mura, and the second verse also it is said Saivang Vartamana Agya. Agya means rascal. Mura means rascal, Agya means ignorant. Ignorant, who has no knowledge. Ga means one who has knowledge. Agya, man who has no knowledge. Mrittu kalo bhastiti. So everyone in this material world is mura, agya. He does not care that I will have to meet death when everything will be finished, all my plans, all my assets, everything will be finished. He does not know that. He knows it, but he doesn't care to observing these things. Therefore, everyone is mura and agya. Then, in spite of the death has come, matin chakara tanai bali Narayana ava. He is experiencing, now I am dying, death is near, still he is thinking of that child. So, jang jang bapi smaran loke, tajatanta, he has got a child, his name is Narayan, now his position is different. But if I am similarly affected, similarly affectionate to my dog, then what is my position? Or anything. Naturally I will think of my dog, and immediately I shall get the another body like a dog or dog. This is nature's law. Jang jang bapi smaran loki sajatanti kalevaram. At the time, the test will be at the time of death. What kind of body you are going to get. So jang jang bapi smaran bhavam. Just like he is very much affectionate to his son, he is thinking of his son. Similarly, if you very much affectionate to your dog or something else, you will think at that time. Therefore, practice Hare Krishna, so that at the time of death you can think of Krishna and your life is successful. Thank you very much.